Very good morning, children. Chapter 2, Food and Health. We will continue with the same chapter, Food and Health. Topic is prevention of communicable diseases. So, prevention. In the previous part, we have completed the communicable diseases, how they spread, what are the how they spread, and what are the means by which they can spread from one place to another, like the insects, water, food. These are the things by which the communicable diseases easily spread from one place to another. But in this video, we will study about the prevention of communicable diseases. Like how prevention means to prevent something, to stop something. To stop the spread of diseases is called as prevention. Prevention is to stop something, to stop the spread of the disease. This is known as prevention. So this can be done by the hygiene and vaccination. How we can stop the spread of the communicable diseases? By the two ways, by the hygiene and by the vaccination. So only these two things are there by which we can stop the spreading of communicable diseases. So this is known as prevention. So this is a very common proverb. Prevention is better than cure. So find out the meaning of this proverb. Okay. So first thing is hygiene. Now what is hygiene? An activity or practice that we do to keep things healthy and clean. Hygiene is an activity, or hygiene is a habit or behavior or practice by which we can keep ourselves healthy and clean. It is associated with cleanliness and sanitation. So hygiene is what? Personal or the public cleanliness is known as hygiene. There are certain things, there are certain activities which we perform. When we perform, then we can prevent ourselves, or we can make ourselves healthy, and we can prevent ourselves from the communicable diseases. So there are certain things like cleanliness. Cleanliness is a thing where, how we can keep ourselves clean. So there are so many things like bathing, nahana, washing our clothes, the kapde dhona, washing our belongings like toys, school bags, bottles, lunch boxes, how we keep our home clean. These are certain habits, or these are certain behavior by which we can make ourselves healthy. So there are certain steps of good hygiene. So basically we all want to become a healthy person. And how we can be a healthy person? By following certain points or following certain steps. Step number 1: wash our hands before and after eating food and after going to the toilet with soap and water. The basic thing in this first step is wash our hand properly before eating and after eating. And when you go washroom, wash your hands properly with the soap. This is the first step of the good hygiene. Next step is point number 2. Do not allow water to stand in pots, ditches, etc. Means never allow the water deposition, or don't allow the water deposition around you or in your surrounding, or in the pots, in the ditches, in the coolers. Do not allow the water deposition. पानी को इकट्ठे नहीं होने देना है. So do not allow water deposition, so that we can easily prevent ourselves from the various diseases like malaria, dengue, etc. Because you know very well the deposited water increases the mosquito breeding. It helps in the breeding of the mosquito or development of the mosquito. So because mosquitoes lay their eggs lay their eggs in the deposited untidy dirty waters. So if we do not allow the water to stand in the pots and ditches, so the water, if we are not allowing the water to deposit somewhere, then we are not providing the space to breed, for laying the eggs to the mosquito. मतलब अगर हम पानी इकट्ठे नहीं होने देंगे तो मॉस्किटो को एग देने में कोई जगह नहीं मिलेगी, और इस तरह से हम मलेरिया और डेंगू जैसी बीमारी से बच सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज थर्ड पॉइंट, यूज़ मॉस्किटो रेपेलेंट और मॉस्किटो नेट. वाई वी हैव टू यूज़ मॉस्किटो नेट और मॉस्किटो रेपेलेंट? You know very well कि if we use mosquito net, then we will prevent ourselves from the mosquito bite. And mosquito repellent, the same work is also of mosquito repellent. Mosquito repellent is a cream which we can use on our body, and when we use the repellent cream on our body, then we can keep the mosquito away from our bodies. Okay, so by the mosquito net and by the mosquito repellent, we can keep ourselves away from the mosquito, and because of this we can save ourselves from the mosquito bite. एंड अगर मॉस्किटो बाइट नहीं करेगा तो हमें बहुत सारी डिजीज़ेस नहीं होंगी. ओके, बिकॉज आपको पता है कि मॉस्किटो इज़ द कैरियर ऑफ डेंगू एंड मलेरिया. यस. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट नंबर 4, वॉश fruits, vegetables means wash all the eatable items properly with the water. Clean the eatable items with the water properly. Next point, 5th point, food must be kept covered to prevent flies sitting on it. First thing, we have to wash our fruits and vegetables before cooking and before eating. This is the first point. And next point is, if after cooking the food or after preparing the food, it should be covered. It must be covered, because if it will be covered, then the flies will not be reached to the food items. And because if the flies are not reaching to the food, then we will definitely save ourselves from the diseases, because flies are also the carrier of certain diseases, right? Some diseases are also spread by the insects. You know, in the last class we have learned about this. Yes. Now the next point, number 6, is use the bins. We all have to keep the garbage inside the dustbins, especially the covered dustbins. Okay, so this is the steps of good hygiene. Now the next point is vaccines and vaccination. So what is vaccines? Vaccines are the certain chemical substances that help us to protect against certain diseases. So sometimes आपको पता है हिंदी में हम उसे कहते हैं टीका लगाना. Yes. So some chemicals actually are inserted in the human body for protecting against the diseases. So this is known as vaccines. There are so many types of vaccines available, like polio, cholera, tetanus, hepatitis. These diseases, vaccines of these diseases are available. Okay, but there are still some diseases whose vaccines are not available, like the corona vaccines are not available, still not available. So vaccines are what? Vaccines are certain chemical substances that help us to protect against diseases. Now vaccination is what? The process or method by which we can give the vaccines into the human's body to protect the body from the diseases. So this is a process. Vaccination is the process by which we can prevent or we can keep ourselves safe from communicable diseases. This is known as vaccination. In the vaccination process, we use vaccines to keep the body safe from the communicable diseases. Right? So vaccination is the process and vaccines are the chemical substances. This is the difference between vaccine and vaccination. So vaccine is the chemical substance which we are going to inject inside the human body. But vaccination is the process ये एक प्रोसेस है जिसमें कि हम वैक्सीन देते हैं, ह्यूमन बॉडी में वैक्सीन या इंजेक्शन देते हैं, और इंजेक्शन में वो केमिकल सब्सटेंस दिया जाता है जिससे कि बॉडी को डिजीजेस से बचाया जा सके. दिस इज़ द वैक्सीन, एंड वैक्सीनेशन इज़ द process of giving vaccine to the human body or to the animal body to protect the self from communicable diseases, right? So these vaccines help our body to acquire immunity against diseases. Actually, what the vaccines do, so vaccines basically help us to build up the immunity. Immunity is what? The self power. There is a power inside our human body, inside the cell, which actually fight. This is a power of the body which kills the germs, and this is the defense mechanism. Our body have self defense mechanism or system which help our body to fight against the diseases. Means our body also have a defense mechanism, or body also having a soldier inside the body, the soldier cells which kills the germ, which fight with the germs and which kills the germ. So there are certain substances or food items by which we can improve the immunity or the power of the body. There are certain food items which we eat. If which we eat, we can improve or we can maintain the immunity of the body, and these items are immunity boosters. These are the immunity boosters: turmeric, fish oil, broccoli, sweet potato, spinach, blueberries, ginger, garlic, green tea, almonds, oranges, kiwi. These are the names of the foods, or these are the names of the food items which are very good, and they increases the immunity, they improves our immunity, so they are termed as immunity booster. There are some do's and don'ts: avoid smoking, do exercise, avoid alcohol, proper sleep, practicing correct hand wash and oral hygiene. Hand wash properly करना है, and oral hygiene is what? The health of the mouth. So at the last of this topic, eating healthy balanced diet is just one way to build up our immune system. Only this is the key. Healthy balanced diet is the key by which we can boost up, we can build up our immune system, our self defense mechanism or defense system of the body. So thank you children, and watch it properly.